buildings in Dakar, very beautiful. Côte d'Ivoire embassy decided not to hand out pass avant anymore, so small problems with the visa. I don't know how we will fix it, or how I will fix it. Maybe with a boat. Hopefully everything changes soon. That's it. This is Julien. Say hello, Julien, in Dakar. Friends met at CVD in Dakar. Vincent, say hello. GoPro. This is Vincent. Yes, leaving for a plage north of Dakar now. Lovely place. Say hello, Mama. Hello. Okay, Vincent and I just found a great camping spot. Check these dunes out. Say hello, Vincent. I'm happy with the camping spot. Behind. Okay guys, Senegal. After a couple of days here in this beautiful place. Yes, after spending a couple of days in this beautiful place, I will move on. I'm north of Dakar, probably getting back to Dakar, and tomorrow go to the mechanic to then make it to Guinea-Bissau first, then Conakry, and cross to Côte d'Ivoire. I will show you a bit around. Senegal 2023, January. This happens to be a playground, motocross playground. Say hello. Hello. Yeah. What's your name?
Christian.
Christian. Okay, these are the guys I just met here in front. My tent. Beautiful spot. Okay guys, spent the night here in this beautiful room in Dakar. Now I'm off to go. Checking the fuel filter, fuel pump at Mad Bikes. My friend Juan. Guys of Mad Bikes, Dakar. He's the boss of Mad Bikes.
Yeah.
Say hello. He's great, he's the best man in Dakar. Middle Bikes, the guys. Say hello, hello, hello. Voilà. Where I camped tonight south of Dakar in a Franciscan monastery here in Africa. It's so beautiful. The sun is coming up. I will be heading towards Gambia. Ok, dietro il monastero francescano. Welcome to Africa. Cose che galleggiano, non riesco a capire cosa siano. Beautiful spot behind the Franciscan monastery. Ah, je suis pas un enfant, je suis un voyageur. Okay, I'm in Boudiene now, leading to Gambia, having cafe tuba. Tuba from Mademoiselle. Mama tuba. Mama cafe. These are the sisters. Hello. Huge baobab. Hi guys. I just meet Scottish and English friends here under a baobab, having some fresh. Yeah, say hello. Hello. Yeah, they're having here a holiday in Senegal, and these are the tour guys. Hello, peace. Repairing a tire. Okay, camping spot for tonight here. Beautiful spot. Sun is going down towards Gambia in the middle of Senegal. Cheers. Okay guys, pitched up the tent in this beautiful Africa I'm discovering. Ok ragazzi, sta albeggiando oggi Gambia. Ok ragazzi, sono all'immigrazione per il Gambia, sto entrando in Gambia, devo fare tutti i documenti che devo fare, ci vediamo, buon viaggio. Ok, made it through Gambian customs, crossing now the bridge. This is the tall bridge, okay. This is the river Gambia. Gambia River. Ok, j'ai connu Idrissa en ce moment. Ouais. C'est Idrissa.
Idrissa Touré.
Idrissa Touré.
Ouais.
Idrissa Touré, Sénégal,
Ouais.
direction Casamance.
And Kabada.
Hein?
Ici c'est Kabada.
Kabada.
Ouais,
My friend Arab, Idrissa.
Ouais.
Ciao.
Ciao. Okay.
Su Animo. Voilà. Ciao, ciao. beautiful flowers I just found on the street in Senegal. Oh, what a lovely tree.